If you're using Odoo, chances are you already have a lot of data: sales, finance, accounting, and operations. But data alone doesn't drive growth. Visibility does. I'm Moaz.
And I am Harun, co-founders of OdooDashboards.
We started Odoo Dashboards because we saw too many businesses struggling to turn Odoo data into clear, actionable insights. Teams were buried in spreadsheets, delayed reports, and disconnected information.
So we built a better way. OdooDashboards helps businesses create role-based, real-time dashboards that make reporting faster, smarter, and more strategic. Whether you are a CEO tracking performance, a sales manager watching pipeline, or a finance leader monitoring cash flows, the right dashboard changes how decisions get made.
This channel will show you exactly how powerful Odoo dashboards are built, step by step, across sales, finance, inventory, manufacturing, and more. If you want to unlock the full power of your Odoo data, subscribe and let's build smarter reporting together.